Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to see your mutual friends on Snapchat. First step is open your Snapchat app on your smartphone. Then tap on your profile icon. It's in the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile, scroll down until you spot the friends category with the two options underneath. Out of this, you have to select the first one, add friend. On the Add Friend tab, you will first find the Edit Me section with the list of all the invites sent to you. Right below this section, you will see the Quick Add section. In the Quick Add section, you will find a long list of Snapchat users listed by their name and username. If you go through the list carefully, you will notice that some users have X plus mutual friends right under the username, where X will be any number between 1 and 20. This number indicates the number of mutual friends you two have.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.